Let's begin by looking at the introduction page. The first thing we say on the introduction page is important. The cards are not to be used to memorize the words. These cards are not sight word cards. In the Reading Teacher program, sight words are not used. The cards should be used to help in blending phonemes to sound out the words. Now onto the student cards. There are 201 sheets of student cards, and when they are cut up, they look like this card for the word dog. As I mentioned previously, the words are made up of, firstly, all the words in the 120 stories in the Reading Teacher program. Secondly, all the 315 Dolch words. And thirdly, 100 additional high-frequency words. You'll see there are 3 cards for the word dog, one for the phoneme d at the beginning of the word, one for the phoneme short vowel o in the middle of the word, and one for the phoneme g at the end of the word. The number on the bottom right indicates the Reading Teacher book in which the word first appears. The target phoneme is in the bottom center, and the star indicates that the word is on the Dolch list. There's another reminder here that the words are not to be memorized. It's so important that we can't emphasize it enough. Let's take a look at the teacher guide pages. As you will be cutting up all the student pages, you need the teacher's guide to keep track of all the cards you have. You can print the teacher's guide pages and store in a binder, or you can refer to it on your computer or tablet. The advantage of printing it is that you can add your own words on the blanks provided. On this page, we see all the words for short vowel E, eh. At the top of the page, we show different ways that the phoneme can be written. In this case, E as in net and EA as in head. There are 32 words per page, so for short E, we have 40 words in total. We can search for words within the book. For example, let's look up the word cup. First we see it in the teacher's guide under short U, Then it's under consonant P, pa, and then consonant C, ka. It's also on the compound word card for cupcake. Notice that in the teacher's guide there's a red dot between the 2 words that make up the compound word. Then we go on to see the student cards for cup. The letter cards in the teacher's guide show all the ways of writing phonemes. Now let's get off the computer and look at the cards after they have been cut out. Here's the teacher's guide binder, and here are the cut out cards. They fit nicely into this 8.5 by 11 inch box. And as you can see, I stuck the cover on the top of the box. Now let's assume that we're working on the phoneme G for goat, which is book 55 in the Reading Teacher program.
Listen to the story. I wish for a big dog. Go and get a big dog, Mitt.
we can print out all the word cards for the G phoneme, then sort them so that they do not include any phonemes that we've not yet covered. That would be any cards with a number above 55. Show the lowercase and capital graphemes for G. After we are sure that the students can pronounce the G phoneme, we use the cards to make up the new words in this story. Using phonemes that they already know, we can show other words with the G sound. Then we can use the cards for spelling. Ask what sounds make up the words dog. D, O, G. Now pick out the letters that stand for those sounds. D, O, G. Once students are confident blending the sounds, we can go on and make simple sentences with the word cards. Get a big dog. Go and get a pig. There are many ways to use the cards. You can see some in the Reading Teacher lesson plans. I hope you'll find the letter and word cards useful.